Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is a World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set up remember my preference personalizations in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. Here are the things. So the settings I will click, as well as enter the account section here, scrolling below and enter the Windows backup. So what have the backup your files, apps, preference, and register them across this device. So click here. This thing CCC, then the remember my preference. So quickly access your preference across Microsoft experience. The thing has been on. See, so when I scroll the below button, so here the thing has been on, as because I have just now for practicing issues I have on this thing. So now I want to off this thing. So how? So I just unmark this thing. What? The thing has been personalization. See, but the thing has been on, as because if I work this thing as well as this thing individually working, so that's why I have to on these things. So now right now I want to off. See, and interestingly the thing has been when I turn off, and the thing has been invisible, and when I will on, the thing has been visible. So see, in this way we can set this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.